Chief Minister N.Biren Singh has unequivocally denied rumors circulating in the media about his resignation, expressing his firm commitment to continue leading the states during these turbulent times. Responding to media queries, N.Biren Singh emphasized that now is not the time for leaders to waver, as Manipur requires steady guidance. He assures the public of his dedications to serving the states. We have full confidence and we have to guide the people on the right path. If we deviate from the path, we will lead them. Who will lead them? Manipur will be in more chaos. The Chief Minister's urged media outlets to refrain from publishing unverified reports, as such misinformations could cause unnecessary panic among the population. He cautions that the political rivals might exploit these rumors for their gains, but stressed that the majority of the people would be alarmed by the false news of the resignations. On a positive note, he announced the implementation of the 3 new criminal laws following the recent enactments by the Union Home Ministry. These laws, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, and the Bharatiya Saksya Adhiniyam 2023, replaced the outdated British-era Indian Penal Code 1860, the Code of the Criminal Procedure Act in 1973, and the Indian Evidence Act 1872.
Crucial time. Manipur is passing through a troubled time. In such a crucial and a troubled time, we as a leader should not shake our mind and our confidence. We are having full confidence, self-confidence, and we have to guide the people on the right path. If we left from the power, who will lead them? Manipur will make more chaos. So, I earnestly appealing to all the media person and those who are using the social media, don't publish any unconfirmed news, information of such type, because when somebody said that government is going to step down, then people started panicking. Some people might enjoy it, but 90% of the population feel panicky. So I think we should not spread such kind of information.